Hey traders, welcome back to MarketPulse USA. Today we're breaking down the latest US market action, key index levels, and our top stocks to watch. We'll also cover a quick psychology tip and a beginner setup using candlesticks, RSI, and MACD. Let's get started. Today's US market is showing mixed price action. Tech stocks are volatile, while the broader market is trading inside a range. This kind of environment is all about patience. Instead of chasing moves, professional traders wait for price to react at key levels, either a clean bounce or a confirmed breakout. Right now, it's a market that rewards discipline, not overtrading. Let's start with the broad market. Your first support zone is around 696 down to 692. If that breaks, the next support comes in near 689 to 686. On the upside, resistance sits around 701 up to 705. Above that, the next target zone is 708 and higher. Here's the plan. If price holds above 696, bulls stay in control. But if we lose 692, expect a pullback toward the lower support zone. Tech basket levels, QQQ area. Now let's look at tech. Support is sitting around 25,400 down to 25,200. Resistance is near 25,800 up to 26,000. A strong move above 25,800 could bring momentum back into tech. But a break below 25,200 may lead to deeper consolidation. So again, wait for confirmation. Top stocks breakdown. Now let's talk about the three stocks everyone's watching. First, Tesla. Support is 428 down to 423, with deeper support near 415. Resistance is 440 up to 450, and above that 458 to 465. If Tesla holds above 450, momentum can continue. Below 423, weakness starts to build. Second, Apple. Support is 248 down to 245, then 242 to 240. Resistance is 251 up to 255, followed by 258 to 262. Apple is acting as a stabilizer. A clean break above 255 would confirm upside strength. Third, Nvidia. Support is 185 down to 180, with deeper support near 175 to 172. Resistance is 190 up to 195, then 200 to 205. Above 195, Nvidia can accelerate fast. Below 180, expect more consolidation. Here's today's psychology reminder. Most traders don't lose because of bad strategies. They lose because of bad discipline. After a loss, they revenge trade. After a win, they increase size. Instead, follow this rule. One setup, one position size, one stop loss. Cut losses quickly. Let winners run. Protecting capital always comes first. For beginners, here's a simple confirmation setup. Number 1. Enter near support or resistance, not in the middle of nowhere. Number 2. Wait for a strong candle. For longs, look for a bullish engulfing or strong green close. Number 3. Check RSI. Above 50 shows bullish momentum. Below 50 shows bearish pressure. Number 4. Confirm with MACD. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line near support, that adds confidence. When all three align, that's your higher probability entry. Trade with discipline, not emotion. Use levels. Use confirmation. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily updates right here on MarketPulse USA. This is educational only, not financial advice. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next update.